With the HP Stitch S printer series, automatic maintenance makes servicing easier than ever before. Forget about time-consuming manual daily cleaning routines. The printhead maintenance cartridge automatically cleans each printhead to prevent and recover blocked nozzles. And with the drop detector, manual nozzle checks are now a thing of the past. The drop detector automatically checks each nozzle is functioning correctly. If a nozzle out is detected, the Smart Nozzle Compensation System activates alternative nozzles to replace the missing ones. And because HP thermal inkjet printheads have from 2 to 3 times more nozzles per inch than piezo printheads, you lose neither quality nor speed. The HP Stitch S printer series. Dye sub reinvented.